Okay, so yeah, I think I dropped a video like 2 weeks ago or a week ago on GBPUSD, right? Yeah, so I'm just tell you what I'm still on a bullish bias, by the way, because as you can see, all the support levels are being respected in the market. So there's no reason for me to be looking for sales, right? So I think in the last video we took this buy. I think so. In the last video we took that buy. Yeah, so right now, today is Friday, right? Friday, the 2nd of January, right? And basically there is a trade that we can take next week into next week. Looks like a very clean setup actually. So there's no reason why I shouldn't take advantage of that. Anyway, so let's just like get right into it. So on daily, I already showed us it's been bullish, right? And this is a level. This is a level where we know price buys above. Price gave us the indication right here. This is where price. This is where sellers are in the market, right? And okay, I'll just leave that there. Yeah, this is where sellers are in the market. Price give us this indication right here. This is also the indication, by the way. So, uh, yeah, that's the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, right? What we can see here, if you're not, used to trading, like maybe you just started, right? You would probably not know why I would mark this level out, right? You probably don't know why I marked this level out, but as you can see, this was a downtrend, right? Because lower highs being respected. Price tested this part again, retested it before it gave us that huge drop. Um, yeah. So since we're already, we know that price is bullish on higher time frame, right? So there's no reason, right? Uh, why we should be looking for sales long term. We should be looking for buys long term, and price has tapped this zone where we know price buys above. So yeah, everything is falling in line, right? Okay, so back to what I was saying. This is a lower high, as you can see. This is a lower low, lower high. Price made this lower low, right? Now price has broken this lower high, which is already a sign that price has the potential to be bullish, right? We don't even actually enter off that. We just know that this is a sign that price has the potential to be bullish, right? Now, another key part of this is understanding that while price is doing that, price is respecting support. Let me just draw it again. Price is still respecting support. Price is still respecting support right here. So I'll be looking for price to get above this level on Monday the what? So Monday the 5th of January. I'll be looking for price to get above this level. And then I will trade this during the London session. Probably hold it all through. Probably gonna hold it all through London and New York session because it's definitely. I feel like it's definitely gonna give us a big push. Everything is aligning right now. This could be a good way to start the year. Good way to start the month. Excuse me. Good way to start the year. Good way to start the month. And yeah, this is pretty much what I'm expecting. So as you can see, price gave us that indication right here. Expecting price to come back to this level and buy. This is a, and let me turn this off. Yeah, it makes the chart look a bit weird, but this is a lower high in the market, right? And price has made a higher high in the market. Price has also made a higher low in the market. So above this level, we know price buys. Let me actually use a rectangle. Above this level, we know price buys. So we'll just be looking to buy price above that level during the session for higher volume and all of that. So honestly, I think I wanna set an alert. Excuse me, not an alarm. Yeah, an alert over there, and I know that price has the potential to buy all the way to 1.35297. So let me just put over here, still in caps, to that. So yeah, that is what I have on GBPUSD. I don't think I have anything else. Yeah, the BTC trade price did not come back to tap it, and it's a bummer. But we just move on to the next trade, bro. Look for better setups, and we just trade, man. Like that's all. So yeah, this is what I have on GBPUSD. If all comes good, price should look something like this. It should look something like this, or possibly even higher. It might go a bit higher. I wouldn't mind holding that trade. To be honest, I wouldn't mind holding that trade. So yeah, something like this should be ideal. Would be ideal. I mean, and then yeah, you just hold the trade till price gives us that sign. If price breaks above this, then I would probably hold the trade, and then I'll probably wait for price to give me the sign that it's gonna sell. And once price just breaks structure on the 1 hour time frame, and then I would probably just get out of the trade. So yeah, that's all.